Hello everyone, and today our topic is about periodic chemical and biological processes. First of all, I will give you a brief intro about this periodic chemical and biological processes. What does it mean? It refers to an events or reactions that occur at regular intervals or following a cyclic patterns. I will give you an examples from both chemical and biological processes. First of all, if we talk about the chemical processes, first example we can give is periodic table of elements. The periodic table organized elements based on their atomic number, electric configuration, and recurring chemical properties. Elements in the same group often exhibit similar chemical behaviors. Like if we talk about the chemical reactions, there are some certain chemical reactions that occurs periodically under specific conditions, like oscillating reactions or catalytic reactions. In oscillating reactions, there is reaction like Belousov-Zavodny reaction that exhibits periodic change in concentration of reactants and products, leading to color change over time. And if we talk about the corrosion process, the rate of corrosion in metals can be periodic, influenced by environment factors like humidity, temperature changes. These were the chemical processes. Now, if we further discuss about the biological processes, there is like cell cycle is there. Like we can say eukaryotic cells undergoes a series of stage, like there is G1 stage, there is S stage, there is G2 stage, and there is M stage in a periodic manner. This leads to cell division. Another example we can give is circadian rhythms, like many organisms exhibits biological cycles that follow roughly 24-hour rhythm, regulating processes such as sleep, wake cycle, hormone release, and metabolism. And some other examples can be discussed, like seasonal breeding is there, like many animals have breeding seasons that occur at specific time of the year. And there is also for photosynthetic and respiration is also there. These processes can show periodicity based on lightly available. Okay, so if we talk about the importance of understanding this periodically, so it is like if we talk about chemically or biologically. Chemically for predicting reactions and understanding material properties, and biologically for comprehending ecological interactions, evolution, adaptance, and health related cycles in organisms. If we these periodic processes, these highlights the relationship between chemical reactions and biological. So if we discuss about the Belousov-Zavodny reaction, so this Belousov-Zavodny reaction is a classic example of a non-equilibrium chemical reaction that exhibits oscillatory behavior. It is notable for its striking visual changes, which can include color oscillation and patterns. If I give you an overview, like if I give a key aspect of this reaction, so first of all we can say about the components. It typically involves a mixture of several chemicals, including like malonic acid, bromatin ions, cerium ions, sulfuric acid, and water. So what is the mechanism of this? If we talk about the mechanism, the reaction proceeds through a series of redox reactions and complex mechanisms that involves the oxidation of malonic acid by bromate ions in the presence of an acid. The key to oscillation lies in the feedback loop within the reaction mechanism, where the concentration of certain intermediates cause change in the reaction rates. And if I tell you about the applications of this, like this reaction is studied in various fields, like chemical kinetics, pattern form, biological modes. In chemical kinetics, it provides insights into nonlinear dynamic and chaos theory. And if I talk about the pattern form, in pattern form, this reaction can produce special pattern, making it relevant in study of self-organization and pattern formation in chemistry. And if we talk about in biological modes, this principle observed in this reaction have been applied to model biological system that exhibits oscillatory behavior, such as I already told you that that circadian rhythms. In conclusion, I can say that this reaction is a fascinating example of how chemical reactions can exhibit complex periodic behavior under certain conditions. Its study only enhances our understanding of chemical kinetics but also bridges concepts across chemistry, biology, and also physics. It illustrates the interconnectedness of different specific phenomena. Hope you all understand this topic. See you next time in next video. Okay, bye.